Hey Mavs, welcome back. I'm Kelsey with Cable 14. I'm sure that you've seen all the badges that we all got on picture day, and today we are here to talk about how to use those. The first most important thing for students and staff to know is that their ID cards must be visible on them at all times. Whether that be on a lanyard or on your belt loop, it doesn't matter as long as it's visible throughout the day. If you do lose the ID card, then you should contact the office immediately. The first replacement is $5 and every replacement after that is $10. All right, so something new this year is that all the entrances to the school will be locked throughout the day, and the only way that you can get into the school will be to use your ID card. Now your ID card can help you to get through 4 different entrances. These entrances will be the main office, the doors near the auditorium, the doors to the portables, and the gym. The times you'll be able to access the school with your ID cards will be from 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. To get into the school, place the back of your ID badge on the scanner and the light will turn from red to green. This will make the door nearest to the keypad unlock and you can get into the school. Another change this year is that we will not be able to prop doors open for any reason. If a door is propped open, then somebody from the office will be sent down immediately. And the cameras are all working this year, so we'll know. Mavs, if you lose your ID or there's a visitor that is coming into school, then you'll need to head to the front entrance and use the call button to contact the office.
Hey, I'm Micah Gomez. I left my card at home.
The office will then be notified and they will see if they want to let you into the building or not. The week after Labor Day will be the practice week for all of us. The following week will be the week that the system goes into full effect.